Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing mod right here, and basically what this is an RGB LED light strip that you can use inside your car. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and they do mention how it does have the RGB light option on here, and it does have a music mode, and it also let you guys control the color of the product as well. So I'm actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this will actually looks like inside. So inside right here, they provide you guys the mounting screws. And then right here, they provide you guys the mounting accessory. And then right here, they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and also how to set up as well. And for this product, actually lets you guys actually use the app to control it as well. And then right here, we do have the actual product. As you can see, we do have the LED light strip right here. So we open up, let me show you what it actually looks like. Alright, so when you take it apart, you can definitely see how there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 of these LED light strips on here, and the cable on here is definitely pretty long, so that way you can just put it throughout the car if you guys want to. And you see in the back part right here, for each one of them, they do have the 3M tape, so you can definitely stick that onto the side of your car if you guys want to, or if you guys want to use the screw option on the side right here, you can definitely do that as well. And basically for all these LED light strips right here, they are flexible. So if you guys want to bend it, you can definitely do that on here. We do have the remote right here. So we do have a power button, a color mode option, and different scene option right here. And then right here, we do have the brand logo. And then basically on the side right here, we do have the microphone. So that way, if you guys want to use the music mode, you can definitely do that on here. And right here is basically where you guys want to insert it into your car. And that way actually generate power on the product. And right here is a button you guys want to press to actually activate the product. So that is basically everything that's on the power right here. So obviously I cannot test that out right now. So I do need to actually bring this into the car and plug it into the outlet right there in order for us to actually use it. So I'm actually going to do that first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So I decided to actually test it out on my power station that we got right here, since we do have this DC output right here. So I'm actually plug it in to show you guys how it works. So you basically want to plug it in right here. And then once you guys plug it in, you can definitely see we have everything on here. But the way how you guys activate it is by pushing this button right here. And basically once we activate it, it definitely does work. And it definitely looks really cool as well. So if you guys want to actually spread this out through your car, you definitely can. And basically the way how you guys change the mode on here is by pushing this button right here. So once you guys push the power button, that will turn it on and off. If you guys want to change the different color option on here, you guys want to press on the middle button. And then if you guys want to change the different scenes or pattern, you guys want to click on the last button. So there's definitely a lot of different patterns on here, but you guys can definitely go on the app to actually control it as well. Let me actually show you guys what it actually looks like on the app. Alright, so we got the app right here. You guys want to press on the Bluetooth button right here. And it should find the device, if you can see right here. So you basically want to connect it. Alright, so you guys are basically all set. So you can definitely control the brightness level on here, the music mode, the color mode, the scene, DIY mode, and etc. And if you guys want to control each one of these lights separately, so let's say if you guys want this one to be red, and then this one to be orange, and this one to be yellow, and then this one to be green, and this one to be blue. You can definitely customize that on here, which is definitely pretty cool. If you guys want to change all of it back to blue, you guys want to select all, click blue, and it's all set. So definitely really easy and very simple to use it. And if you guys want to use the music mode, you can basically turn on the music mode on here. And there's 4 different types of music mode on here. So there's definitely a lot of different patterns on here, but I think this is probably the best one right here because it's super bright. Let me just turn off the light and play a song to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so let's play a song. Alright, so you definitely see the product definitely works really well, and the light on here is actually really bright. So you probably don't want to look directly onto the light because it might blind your eye. But definitely works really well if you can see how bright the light is on here. Alright, welcome back guys. So next, a quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work and actually works quite well. If you see the product on here definitely works really well. So you definitely have the option to use the remote on here, or if you guys want to use the app, you can definitely do that as well. Or if you guys want to use Alexa or Google Assistant using the voice control, you can definitely do that as well. So if you can see from the test, you can definitely see how bright the actual colors are on here. And it's actually really cool. It actually has like the music mode, the different color options, the different scenes, and also the customized option on here as well. And then obviously if you guys want to increase or lower the brightness on here, you can definitely do that on this product as well. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. not like unboxing and testing product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you guys want to like decorate your car and make it stand out a little bit, you can definitely turn on the light on here to give you guys that brightness. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.